I'm Jess. I'm here to tell you about a course that we're running for public servants in Wales who are user researchers or are dabbling in user research as part of a different role. So the course is going to run over 3 sessions, which are 2.5 hours each over a 3-week period. And the aim is to help you develop your skills in the different aspects of the user research process. So we'll be covering things like research methods, recruitment, analysis, as well as what does user research look like in our different organisations and some of the challenges of being a user researcher. It's going to be really hands-on, so lots of activities, discussion, learning from each other, and the course is funded by the Centre for Digital Public Services, which means that it's free for you to attend. So if you head to Eventbrite, you can book your space and we hope to see you there.